What's time? After 8.
I will not see your time there.
This is on camera. Don't worry now, don't worry, you still checking now. It's after 8 now.
No, but what don't buy food? We put two of us go chop. I know no go chop until I come.
You get luck.
Yeah, it's late to say. I already went to eat to buy food.
You get luck, see, don't be the dates. But I'll chop her first. Hey,
God give me you as my reward of the ones where don't suffer me.
you chop her first.
Like people like you,
Do
who I
it
don't
too.
date, they don't suffer my life.
People like me, you date me. Eh? What am I saying? Okay, in place.
I was calling my nails.
Which one? I beg, can't I beg?
Okay,
Are you not seeing?
Am I
Are
not
you
saying
not
what?
seeing that someone's about to go down?
What is many is just fine. To build again, then fine.
I'm not building again. It's one coat.
What is one code? See, are you seeing all the sides?
You chill now. That's if I go blend now, you're not gonna say anything. Yeah, say, it's like okay. No wonder you can't say. It's one code. It's one time now.
So all these sides come.
You why the worry?
Also, I know what njide ginefe. Gas.
With this your long nails. Nah, take don't tear me like this. No, seriously, you think maybe it's when I'm going to be too cold? Since when?
Because it's light.
Now. It's supposed to be light now. It's supposed to be light. If you check, even all those professional net tech, if you check, they light.
The ones I used to see, they'll first and do a very light one. Then they'll not build again on it.
Na madam pattern, madam see me to do light one. Look at that time. I don't know that pattern I do my own. After you both bring your own pattern, I bring my own. In. It's supposed to be light. I remember. No. Remember when I did this in that time? It was flat. I did like this. You guys were saying no, it's supposed to be bulky. That time it was not as neat as this.
You go every day.
I swear.
Me when I come here, no sabi polish.
Now you go close yourself, knock and put.
You go close and knock something.
No, you go close and knock polish put now. That's what I mean. This one, see now. Under how many hours I finish this nails? And it's
Not like before.
yes, and I know how to wear and wear. What madam was saying that time that I did her nails first. It's not that I now know it. I'm not like if she comes again, she will know what I'm talking about. I wasn't saying that I will not learn that period, but the method they wanted to use and teach me like shall be 101. Sit down there and learn.
This one before here.
I used to do this for my boss, for my Indian boss. On her nails. She doesn't do acrylic. It's this one. And there's only one cup here. There's not this product. So I was not using that one to build. She be telling us to tell customer now that there's gel builder. We were running from gel builder and acrylic. We just do. But I was doing it for her. Gel builder. Her nails can't grow. She was like, she has never kept her nails like this before. Nails grew. I don't know, say, I just do tests to come here. When I just hear that it's JB, I just laugh. That's what I do for my madam. But I was not doing it often, that's why.
learn every day. We grow every day.
Anyway.
Is it gone? Nothing.
No idea. This is not Lucy.
Guys, then the
It's
way I used to polish for client, Jesus Christ. Until one day, the lady, I do polish for her, finish her nails smudge. Hey, she came back. Sekai, Namaka, what is this one? What?
Gel polish.
Esther will not be talking to me. Anyhow.
So you now sat up or what?
Yeah, I don't know. But that's one thing about me. Like, I don't know how I just sit up. I don't know, but I just feel like, let me be learning little. And I don't practice with anybody.
Now you learn from the one that you did before. If you do nails today, now you will learn from that one. If you polish today, you will learn. You will correct your mistake the next day or the next time. Okay.
Sorry.
I fit chop this hand, but you gonna need them for pedicure. So. I beg. Most I get crush on you before you can't talk all this kind of thing.
Your crush don't crush. So you crush the crush that you have for me.
Not for you. You can't imagine. With this longness, I won't pass it again.
You know, so when you do your nails, now when you think they fine.
Yeah.
The beauty. And it come black.
Come hold on. Your nails are going to shine. Baby, I love your nails. That time. I don't call you tired. Don't worry, bro. She dey come.
Nothing will happen because like this now, the river has flowed. The river has flowed.
River don't flow.
If the river come at the wrong time, I say no way. So serious. If I tell you say no come now you go dey cry.
You come, I beg.
Your mama don't tell her.
Okay.
If this thing come out, if he enter,
You go keep him.
you go keep him.
Hey, now waiting, they find him natural. Hey.
Already you go keep him, but no, at the right time. This thing they pay me to be like this.
No, because in a new set.
Hey, who wants to chase us away?
I hope I'm ready. I hope I'm able to edit this video that is doing like this.
How is it?
They had the view and everything.
Now life today.
No. I'm just video so I can edit it later.
And because of those two.
And the angle, lighting. Just people they do all this video. They see that big light and what's in with this? You see their light. The evidence sometimes plus their phone again. Gosh, shit.
These lights no make sense. The woman span, they buy lights now. They go
Because
they look
no
for cheap
be their
lights.
aesthetics.
They go they look for cheap lights.
Only that moonlight see curve like this. Okay, end place. I've done the town.